So today's video, we're gonna microwave a tomato. Oh my god, and I don't know why, since when did they start packaging tomatoes in little plastic things? Like, does nobody else think that's, like, it's not needed? That's, tomatoes are, what do you call it? They like have their own shell packaging. They don't need to be protected by plastic. What are these called? These are called beefsteak tomatoes. What is a beefsteak tomato? These look really good to eat. I'm kind of doing the microwave thing. We're gonna do the one that's kind of like yellow. Kinda. Sorta. Okay, whoops. Where are you going? Okay, tomato. We're gonna cook it for 5 minutes. Start. Dun 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 dun! Let's see what it looks like. Oh crap! Dang it! It exploded and it like melted. Didn't even. Well, that's good. It didn't get a bunch of shit everywhere. It's just on the plate. Oh, I don't know. It's weird. Like, what the fuck did it do? It's all pilly. That's interesting. The skin just comes off. It's really, really hot. I can't pick it up. It's too hot. I need something to poke it with. Okay, I went and got a fork. Isn't the light supposed to turn on when the microwave door's open? Well, that's weird. It's like a big. Let's see. Can you see that? Big pile of squishy, hard stuff. Look, there's like the skin just like all peeled off. Anyway, so that's what happens when we microwave a tomato. My fingers are hot. At least it didn't make that big of a mess, so that's good. Still trying to find a microwave plate thingy for the other microwave because that broke. Anyway, yep. Thanks for watching. Sorry, I just woke up, so I'm kind of like, Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, do things. Bye.